Look how all the tables have turned. Guess you're finally realizing how bad you messed it up. Girl, you're only making it worse when you call like you always do when you want someone. You took away a year of my fucking life, and I can't get it back no more. So when I see those tears coming out your eyes, I hope it's me, therefore you didn't love when you had me, but now you need me so badly. You can't be serious, that's hilarious. Thinking I would still want you after the things you put me through. Yeah, you're delirious, that's hilarious. Now you put the blame in. Ayo kita berani,